Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert charts into your Excel sheets. Here we have a spreadsheet where we ask second class students what their favourite fruit was. If we were to create a chart or a graph of this, we select the data first. The data is the fruit and the number of students who said it was their favourite. Click on Insert. We click on Charts and Graphs. We're going to do a pie chart first. So we select pie chart. And it creates the pie chart and sticks it into our spreadsheet straight away. If we wanted to do this as a bar chart, we could select it again, insert, and this time we can select bar chart. If we select it like this, it will show you this one. It will show you a preview of what it is going to look like. There we have the number of students with a comparison of what their favourite fruit is. And that's how you do it.